Cookboy Style back with another like, share, subscribe. What's up, guys? We out here today. Good job. Good job. It's hard.
American Bull Annie. He's part American Bull. That's his name. Can you jump up on the bed? Yeah, for the American Bull.
You all right, lady? No copyright, no copyright.
Take out order 280, please. 280.
Okay, at 1:30, we're going to close down the balloting for the winners, for the fan favorites. You get, when you order
that pink is
cards
hard.
in the dining room, you get
With
a
rollerball, I
ballot,
like it.
and the ballot box is next to the jukebox, right there in Arnold's lobby. And so we're going to shut that down at 1:30 and count them when the words start at 2 o'clock.
Order number 282.
No copyright, no copyright.
Order number 284 and 286, please. 284 and 286.
Yeah. So I'm a technician, and I had one of these come in the other day. You're going to Rumble me. Oh yeah, that's it. Badge with an RT. Because it's a Okay.
Y'all see what that is. How y'all doing?
Pretty good.
I'll move out your way right now.
I think we're more in your way.
It's all right. Can I get y'all to subscribe to my YouTube channel?
Is this your car?
No, ma'am. Mine's on the other side. It's called Cook Boy Style. Got subs, guys. You find it? Oh yeah.
Oh, I am so sorry. Sorry, I had to figure out what was on the car. Al Pacino.
Oh
Sorry.
yeah. You're all right. You're all right. Yes, sir. That's it.
Thank you. See you.
Thank you. Y'all see Tiger Man, Tony. Anything. Step cut. 392 thing.
Order number 201, please. 201.
Got the vets out here, man. The whole city, the whole town showed up, man. Y'all see it. We got vet after vet after vet. Y'all see it. CA things.
Check out on 130, please. 130.
That thing clean.
Very cool that thing was. It's sitting there. 36.
I see it. Got the old school Chevy.
Well, no, there's a guy at work. There. Wasn't it after we talked
I know that's what you wanted to see, y'all. Oh, yeah, who y'all out here with? Oh, okay. We're gonna get y'all a burger.
Orders 120 and 139. Orders 210 and 139, please. 210 and 139.
Yep, we still gonna go here in a little bit. You hear me? We still gonna go here in a little bit for sure. All right. It sounded like it, didn't it?
Hello.
Huh?
That's me.
Maybe this one don't. It look like the ones it kind of look like.
Order 142 and order 143, please. 142 and 143. Order 144, please. 144.
Go ahead, you good. I'm gonna stop. I'm sorry. Yeah. I see you, V6. I remember I used to sound like that. Yes, huh? Huh?
Order 216.
I was pushing you.
Over a little bit.
Who I was getting somewhere. But not quick enough.
Wow. Look at you, this one, you about big guy. I'm gonna burn the plan.
Yeah. That's hard. Look, got the little stab behind it.
I'm actually taking it for my hands. I had to put up with
Focus.
the guy that's putting the show on. She had to put up with him.
So what would? He rocking swap on that beef. On the hamburgers. Just got some meat on it.
You ever got the fish fry?
What?
Fish got fish.
Nah, I ain't got it. Nah. Ooh, I like this. But they ain't got the music on. It'd be beating there. Beating there. Hey,
I have a microcycle frame that has rear suspension, but I don't have the rear swing arm. And the hip tube literally looks like a roller skating variant. I mean, the bolt would only be maybe 6 or 7 millimeters. Like, what the hell is that? That's what I got from the guy that has the basic one in his garage.
step back. I better save some battery so I can vlog them leaving. That's gonna be a good one.
Oh, I bet he is. Yeah. Yeah, that's how I walked it.
Order 149 and 221.
And so we have our first
Order
growing
150.
up. Growing up, my dad worked.
Here you go, mama and them.
Order 220.
So he's been helping me every year, and so he's going to be making the announcements inside of all this, but I'll be standing outside and standing in front of him so we can get more people around rather than be crowded.
79 thing, number 79.
He's an auditor.
But y'all see all type of cars out here, man. The whole city is out here. Majority of us. No copyright, no copyright. I do not own the rights.
Order 251.
Big truck driver.